Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two popular robot vacuum cleaners, the iRobot Roomba 694 and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. We'll be looking at their features, performance, and value for money, so let's dive right in. When it comes to cleaning power, both the iRobot Roomba 694 and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner offer impressive performance. The Roomba 694 features a three-stage cleaning system that lifts dirt, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors. It even has an edge-sweeping brush to take care of corners and edges. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC boasts a powerful 3,000 pascals Cyclone cleaning system, which increases cleaning efficiency by 30%. It efficiently vacuums all types of surfaces, including hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. When it comes to navigating your home, the iRobot Roomba 694 and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner are both equipped with advanced sensors. The Roomba 694 features a full suite of sensors that allow it to navigate under and around furniture, along edges, and even avoid falling down stairs with its Cliff Detect feature. The ROPVACNIC, on the other hand, is designed with a sophisticated sensing system that enables it to effortlessly access and clean hard-to-reach places such as under beds and furniture. Now let's talk about the smart features of these robot vacuum cleaners. The iRobot Roomba 694 can be controlled using the iRobot Home app or voice commands through your voice assistant. You can schedule cleaning sessions, monitor the real-time status, and even receive personalized cleaning suggestions based on your habits and routines. Similarly, the ROPVACNIC can be controlled through its dedicated app, allowing you to accomplish personalized cleaning needs at your fingertips. It also supports voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Battery life is an essential factor to consider when choosing a robot vacuum cleaner. The iRobot Roomba 694 offers a runtime of up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging itself. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner also provides a reliable runtime, ensuring that it completes its cleaning tasks before returning to the charging station. Finally, let's talk about the price. The iRobot Roomba 694 is priced at $274, while the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner comes in at $199. Both models offer excellent value for money considering their features and performance. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 694 is praised for its effectiveness in cleaning pet hair, quiet operation, and ability to handle long hair. However, some reviewers have mentioned issues with the app and the quality of the brushes. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner receives high recommendations for its effectiveness in cleaning up hair and dirt, long-lasting battery, and convenient app control. It is also praised for its affordability and ability to reach every corner. So, which robot vacuum cleaner is the right choice for you? The iRobot Roomba 694 offers a personalized cleaning experience, advanced sensors, and a trusted brand reputation. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner provides powerful cleaning, smart app control, and an attractive price point. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making your decision. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.